What is the primary goal of Honeypot in cybersecurity? Option A, to collect sensitive information from attackers. Option B, to distract attackers and study their tactics. Option C, to detect and block malware before it spreads. So the right answer is option B, to distract attackers and actually study their tactics. Honeypots are designed to lure attackers away from the real systems. Honeypots are decoys designed to lure attackers away from the real systems. They are like bait, helping organizations understand attack methods and improve defenses. It is not about blocking, it is about learning. So the right answer is option B, to distract attackers and study their tactics.